Hey guys, what's up? I'm your friend back with a new video. In this video, we are gonna see some tips and techniques of the Google Chrome. So let's begin our video. Open your Google Chrome browser. Sometimes friends, you only need the background music. No video, only audio. For this, you should have a premium subscription of YouTube. But your friend has a tip of background music playback using your favorite browser, that is Google Chrome. Go to the search bar and search for youtube.com. Now click on this three dot, go to desktop site, and I'm gonna play this first video. I've started the video. Skip the ad. Now go to the home bar. Now see the notification section. A notification of background music playback has appeared on your notification bar. Just click on the play button. Moving towards our next trick. After seeing this trick, I'm definitely sure that once you will think for applying an security or an app lock to your Google Chrome browser. For this, go to your search bar and search for file colon triple slash SD card. Oops, all the internal storage and file manager is here. Let's see if we can play the audio or not. Yes, the audio is playing. Now wanna see some WhatsApp images or documents? Let's find the WhatsApp. Yes, I got it. Media, sorry. It's media. WhatsApp images. All the WhatsApp images are here. Let's view one image. Yes, you can view the image also. WhatsApp video. You can also play the videos. Now let's try for the documents. Documents are also viewed. Means anyone with your Chrome browser and your mobile phone can access all your files and folder. So friends, what do you think? You should apply an app lock to your Google Chrome browser or not? Before moving towards our next step, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for supporting us and keeping us highly motivated for making such videos. The next step is related to some basic settings of the Google Chrome. For this, click on these three dots and go to the settings. Sometimes it happens that you get a notification or ads from an unknown website. This is because knowingly or unknowingly you have given an access to that website for showing the notification or ads on your mobile screen. To off this, go to the site settings, go for notification, and here are the website which gives you notification. So select any one of the website, clear and reset, and it's done. In the Google Chrome setting, you will see a password session. This session contains all your login password which is saved in your Google Chrome. So if you forget the password of your mail or any other site, you can come here to view your password. Click on this I button to know your password. It will ask for your fingerprint or any lock that is applied to your phone. There is also a setting or a technique in the Google Chrome through which you can have multiple downloads at the same time, or you can accelerate your downloading speed. For this, you need to go to the search bar and search for Chrome colon double slash flex. This is the developer page of Google Chrome. To enable the parallel downloading, you have to click on this and enabled and relaunch your Chrome browser. So here were some tips and tricks for your Google Chrome browser. I hope you'll all like my video. For more such video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For further notification, don't forget to click the bell icon.